H2O, agua, the blue wet stuff coming from your faucet, there's no getting around that you and your curls would both benefit from you drinking more of that good old water. Besides it being the most important element in keeping your body, alive, when it comes to the benefits drinking water provides for your curls, the list is pretty impressive. From supporting stronger, shinier growth, to preventing split ends, to promoting a healthier scalp for less dryness, itchiness, and dandruff, you should really be guzzling a gallon right now. Well, don't worry, not actually a gallon. If you're a woman, you should aim for about 2.7 liters or 6 bottles a day. And if you're a man, yours is up to around 3.7 liters or 8 bottles. So start slow, increasing your intake when you can, and your curls will love you for it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit it even if you didn't. Leave a comment down in the comment box below and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.